Good evening, sir. My name is P. Madhupriya from first year Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am here to give a presentation about program on self-referential structures. Self-referential structures contain a pointer membrane that points to an instance of the same structure type. This allows structures to reference themselves, enabling data structures like linked list. A self-referential structure example is a student structure with a roll number, name and link pointer pointing to another student structure. Self-referential structures are used for implementing linked data structure that connect nodes like lists, stacks, and trees. The concept of self-referential structure is based on the idea of a linked list, which is a collection of data elements that are connected to each other through a series of pointers. Each element in the list contains a data value and a pointer to the next element in the list. This creates a linked structure where each element is connected to the next one. Next, self-referential structures. Self-referential structures contain a pointer member that points to a structure of the same structure type. In other words, a self-referential C structure is the one which includes a pointer to an instance of itself. Next, syntax of self-referential structure in C programming. Struct demo, open parenthesis, data type member1, member2, end with semicolon, struct demo, asterisk ptr1, asterisk ptr2, end with semicolon, close parenthesis, struct student, open parenthesis, integer roll number, char name 20, struct student, asterisk link, close parenthesis. As you can see in the syntax, link is a structure pointer that is pointing to the structure student. So structure student is a self-referential structure. These types of data structures are helpful in implementing data structures like linked list and trees. It is an error to use the structure variables as a member of its own struct type, structure, or union type, union respectively. Self-referential structure example: struct student, open parenthesis, integer int roll number, end with semicolon, char name 20, end with semicolon, struct student, asterisk link, close parenthesis. Link, it is a pointer member that points to a structure of the same type as the one being declared, is referred to as a link. Link can tie one node to another node. The concept of linked list, stacks, queues, trees and many others works on the principle of self-referential structures. An example of self-referential structure in C: hash include stdio.h, hash include conico.h, hash include string.h. Struct student, open parenthesis, integer roll number, end with semicolon, char name 20, end with semicolon, struct student, asterisk link, close parenthesis. Void main, open parenthesis, struct student, object 1, end with semicolon, struct student, object 2, end with semicolon, clr object 1 link is equal to null, end with semicolon, object 1 roll number is equal to 10, end with semicolon, strcpy object 1 name Ashish Kumar, end with semicolon, object 2 link is equal to null, object 2 roll number is equal to 30, strcpy object 2 name Gaurav Sharma, end with semicolon, object 1 link is equal to object 1 link is equal to ampersand object 2, end with semicolon, printf %d /n object 1 link arrow mark roll number, end with semicolon, printf %s/n object 1 link arrow mark name, end with semicolon, get ch, end with semicolon. Another example of self-referential structure in C: hash include stdio.h, hash include stdlib dot h struct node open parenthesis int info end with semicolon struct node asterisk link end with semicolon close parenthesis. Integer main open parenthesis int choice end with semicolon type definition struct node end with semicolon node asterisk ptr asterisk start end with semicolon start is equal to null while 1 open parenthesis printf slash n 1 enter the new node at the start slash n end with semicolon printf 2 display the elements of the list slash n end with semicolon printf 3 exit slash n end with semicolon printf enter choice slash n end with semicolon scanf %d ampersand choice end with semicolon. Switch choice open parenthesis case 1 ptr is equal to node asterisk malloc size of node end with semicolon printf enter the number you want to enter at the start slash n end with semicolon scanf %ld ampersand ptr arrow mark info end with semicolon if start is equal to null open parenthesis start is equal to ptr end with semicolon ptr arrow mark link is equal to null end with semicolon close parenthesis else open parenthesis ptr arrow mark null is equal to start start is equal to ptr close parenthesis break case 2 ptr is equal to start printf the elements in the list are slash n end with semicolon while ptr arrow mark link not equals to null open parenthesis printf %d slash t ptr arrow mark info ptr is equal to ptr arrow mark link close parenthesis printf %ld comma ptr arrow mark info end with semicolon break case 3 exit 1 break end with semicolon default printf slash n valid choice end with semicolon close parenthesis return 0 close parenthesis. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir.